At number 5, we have the Craftsman CMEPW2100. This is our 5th ranked pick, but still delivers impressive cleaning power with 2100 max PSI and 1.2 gallon per minute flow rate, making it suitable for various outdoor cleaning tasks. This electric pressure washer comes equipped with 5 versatile nozzles, including a turbo nozzle for enhanced cleaning capability. The unit features a durable kink-resistant 25-foot hose and extends reach with a 35-foot power cord. For convenience, it includes an integrated soap tank and comprehensive onboard storage for accessories. The pressure washer's mobility is enhanced by 10-inch wheels, while the innovative T-rail handle system ensures the wand stays securely locked during transport. The comfort grip design reduces user fatigue during operation. Built for longevity, it carries CETA certification and includes a 3-year warranty, demonstrating confidence in its build quality. The axial cam pump and universal motor provide reliable performance for medium-duty cleaning applications.